Ready to turn those Radisson Rewards points into your next unforgettable adventure? First, head to the Radisson Hotels website, radissonhotels.com, and locate the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. Now, carefully enter your Radisson Rewards username or email address, along with your password. Double check, then click the Sign In button again. Great, you're now logged into your account. Look for your points balance displayed prominently. You should also see options like redeem points or use points while you click on any of these. This page showcases all the ways you can redeem your points. You'll find options like free hotel nights, gift cards, or transferring them to airline miles. Select what sparks your interest. For instance, if you want a free night, select that option. You'll then be prompted to search for hotels at your desired location and dates. The website will show you hotels available for point redemptions. Once you've chosen your redemption, carefully review all the details on the confirmation page. This will show you the points being deducted and the specifics of your booking. If everything looks good, confirm your choice. After confirming, your points will be deducted, and you'll receive a confirmation email. You can also view the updated balance on your account page. Now, get ready to enjoy the fruits of your Radisson Rewards.